My name is Megan Deschaine and I like to make some cocktails, and today I'm making you a cocktail featuring some Mountain Valley spring water. It's going to be the key lime essences, and for this cocktail I really was inspired by vacation energy, island vibes. So this cocktail is kind of a mix between a Mai Tai meets a jungle bird, and we're going to lengthen it with the delicious Mountain Valley spring water. So this is going to be made with a 1/4 ounce of passion fruit, a 1/4 ounce of orgeat, a 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice, and 1 ounce of Caribbean rum. I'm gonna shake it with love, and then to a glass with crushed ice and a little bit of Aperol at the base. We're gonna add our cocktail, finish it with the Mountain Valley spring water, and take ourselves on a vacation. First, we are going to start with the smallest amount of ingredients in case we make any mistakes, because I'm prone to and I know better. So it's a 1/4 ounce of this passion fruit liqueur, a 1/2 ounce of pineapple juice, a 1/4 ounce of orgeat, which is a really tasty non-alcoholic ingredient made with almonds. Gives it just a very subtle nutty characteristic, and then some Caribbean rum, just an ounce. Once we have all of these ingredients in our shaking tin, I'm going to lovingly shake her to dilute and integrate our cocktail ingredients. And then we're going to take our glassware. I'm going to add a 1/2 ounce of Aperol directly to the glass. I'm going to add our crushed ice very carefully. One of the other things we want to remember is to add our sparkling water directly to the cocktail tin. So in this case, I'm using the key lime flavor Mountain Valley essences for our little vacation cocktail. I don't know if you vacationed to Ouachita Valley before. In Arkansas, that's where this baby is made. Has been for 150 years. It's super delicious. And then we're going to strain our cocktail that has the soda water directly in it over the crushed ice. Our final steps are garnish. So I'm going to take some mint, little gentle expression there for aromatics, and a lime wedge. And then because this is a cocktail served over crushed ice, I'm going to finish it with a reusable metal straw. Sustainability is super important to me, very important to Mountain Valley as well. There you have it. This is the Italiano Al Caribe. Cheers.